I love coming to this practice because they're local, and I really like to support the local community. But Dr. Bessonet has always been very caring and kind. I'm nervous about dentists, and he is very gentle, but also his staff is really incredible. And I'm very busy, and they're always very flexible with my schedule and also my husband's schedule. And so I wouldn't go anywhere else. Well, first I think it starts off with Miss Lauren in the front. She's always nothing but kind, and so when I get here they talk to me a little bit and calm me down, but essentially the dental hygienist and also Dr. Bessonet, he is very gentle in my mouth, and they also offer all different sorts of things to make sure that you're comfortable, from blankets and TVs to distract you to medication and what have you. I would say the one thing that he's helped me the most with is the fact that I'm not grinding my teeth in the evenings, and that is a huge benefit because I'm a small business owner, and then also I'm a director of a large pharmacy that is in 38 states, so I work and I travel and I go to night law school. And so when I was grinding my teeth, you would think, what does that really do to somebody's quality of life? But it was hard for me to sleep, and then it also caused me a great deal of headaches and some pain in my jaw, and it really became quite aggravating, so he helped me a great deal with that. When I do share my dentist with the community and with my network, I always tell them that he's one of the best dentists I've ever been to, and that their staff is very, very well educated as well as thorough with their care, and they're a family-oriented practice, and so that's very, very important to me, and I'm always nothing but satisfied